Noise on the front end of my vehicle. What is that? I don't know. You driving it? Listen, if you hear anything that sounds abnormal, it ain't normal. Abnormal. So please make sure, get to a repair shop, a facility, and have it checked out. Because what you don't want to happen is the wheel come off the car, someone gets hurt, and now we got a problem. Not only is your vehicle torn up, now your whole life is a mess. Because why? You heard the noise, and you didn't do anything about it. The hint to the wise is sufficient. So I'd like to think you are wise, right? I thought so. No, seriously. Whenever you hear anything that is not normal, then therefore it is what? Abnormal. Get it checked out. You may have a bent strut, stabilizer bars, anything that's dealing with your steering, you definitely want to make sure that you have the stability with that. Ava, I'm hearing the noise in the front end. What should I do? Get someone to please diagnose what that noise is. Don't try to think you know. Don't guess, oh, it's just when I ran over that dog. You just said a dog. Like tell your car up. Y'all would get someone to that dealership, to that repair facility, find out what it is. Okay? Yeah. If you hear a noise, please get help. And thanks for asking, Abe.